What a stunner! Right in the middle of it all, Uptown, Andersonville, Ravenswood, and Lincoln Square are short walk to Winnemac Park, Metra's Ravenswood stop, Mariano's, LA Fitness, Clark Street. Complete gut, everything's new. You'll love the open floor plan, with 9-feet ceilings on first and second floors, and nothing but high-end finishes. Stroll seamlessly through the first floor living and dining rooms, coming to the custom kitchen, with 42 inches, slow-close cabinets, quartz counters, beautiful island and Viking stainless steel appliances. Even space for family and mudrooms, and a covered porch. Enjoy the enormous master suite on second floor, with private porch to enjoy your morning coffee. The second floor is completed with 3 generous bedrooms, an additional bath with double sinks and tub, and laundry closet. Entertain in the basement rec room, complete west/wet bar and space for gaming. Also, 5th bedroom, office, 3rd full bath, and extra storage. So much here that will amaze you. See it today.